Eveanro was nice enough to send me a 30-inch slide-in range filler kit. So it came in this nice long box. Pulling out the contents, it looks like we have some instructions, of course, a couple of parts that you would screw into the side of your countertops, or at least that's what it looks like in the product descriptions. And then these are a couple of rubber, not plates, but something like that. You set these in the grooves of your oven, I'm pretty sure. So the main thing that this is intended for is putting this big metal part in the back of your oven. My family's oven is old though and doesn't really have that design in it, but I can show off these. So here's my oven, again, older and doesn't have the design that the filler kit is intended for, but I'm not sure if this is exactly how they intended these rubber parts to be used, but you have this part that sticks out at the top and you can just set it there, pretty sure, and it should fit decently with a good groove. As for the steel part, it does feel like a good quality made piece of metal, if that means anything. Same thing with these parts that you would screw in, and I do believe they make these in different sizes, so if you need something other than the 30 inches, give them a look and they might have something for you.